in the middle of Central Maui, but the property here is a serene, quiet oasis. You're gonna love it. Address of the house is 123 Kamaiki Circle. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home in the middle of the Bluffs, which is that gated community of just 36 homes. It's very quiet. Check out all the amazing landscaping here in the front and wait till you see the backyard. But first, let's go inside. Coming in the front door, we've got a great open entry space here. An extra den, seating room, garage access, and a nice powder room to our right. The main living area that goes straight out through the back door. And to the left is a kitchen. The kitchen area here is the heart of the home. Gorgeous dark mahogany cabinetry, plenty of counter space, a bar for eating in, a newer fridge, and open throughout the entire living area. Check out these tall ceilings. This is another one of my favorite features of the home. Here is a custom koi pond. Serene and relaxing. Beautiful tropical retreat. Lanai has more of the custom tile work. And let's go see all of the foliage. The waterfall is powered by solar panels, using the energy from the sun so it does not create any addition to your electric bill. In the yard here we have some gorgeous views of the West Maui mountains. Now here I am walking into the master suite, which is right off the main living area on the ground floor. This is one of the nicest features of this home. Huge ground floor master suite. There's 2 closets right here, a giant walk-in on our right, and the whole room looks right out over the beautiful koi pond that we visited already. There's a separate sitting area outside, plenty of space. The master bath was recently remodeled with custom tile work throughout. This is a large jetted tub, separate toilet enclosure, and a gorgeous walk-in shower. And of course, dual vanity sinks. At the top of the stairs is a huge open loft bonus space. Overlooking the kitchen and the main living area. Up here are 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. All the bedrooms are really great size. And the full bath has 2 dual vanity sinks. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Jessica Baker of Coldwell Banker Island Properties here for the first look at 123 Kamaiki Circle in the Bluffs at Maui Lani in Central Maui. Call me anytime at 808-250-0840 with questions and of course to schedule your own private showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Aloha for now.